Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Reinstall the system controller. So click to start, type device manager, open it. Now scroll down. You can see uh, full screen, extract universal server bus controller. This is USB. Okay, so select this, right click to uninstall and then uninstall. This is 2.0. Now this is USB 3.1. Right click to uninstall and then uninstall it. Okay, and then click to action and then click on scan hardware changes. Okay, so it will come again. Then select this and right click to update driver and search update automatically. Okay, and then close it. Now need to install the driver. Then need to install the chipset driver. Click to any browsers. Because of type I am using the Asus laptop. If you are different, so you can search different and laptop model number. Install actually guys chipset driver. Click on it, first link, and then click automatically detect the computer and select this and click to start, so it will detect automatically. Okay, then click to driver and tool, scroll down, select the operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11, then scroll down, find out the chipset. This is chipset, click to download, it will start, then just single click to open. After that select the languages which is and then click to OK. Then next I agreement. Then next select the install. You can extract and you can install directly to select the install. Then next and install. Now this is extract, so it is install and no, and then finish it and then close it. Then next repair Windows system file and click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then guys type this command to restore your corrupted file. Okay, so it will start the percentage. It will take some time depend about your system configurations, your system issue, system speed. And when it is completed, then try to second one. This is also important. So to both this command, first this and second I am giving you, this is very important for your system. So second is sfc space scan now and then hit enter. So it is required the administrator control. So close, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator and then type sfc space scan now and then hit enter. So it will start a percentage, and so it is completed 100% both command and need to restart 100% your system. Click to start and then click and then restart. Okay, thank you.